So today we're going to answer one of the rumors that lingers Philippine history. Was Adolf Hitler an illegitimate child of our national hero, Jose Rizal? For once, Clara Hitler, mother of Adolf Hitler, was regarded the devil's mother. Thus, a mere association of Rizal to Hitler is malicious. To determine the truth, we must learn the whereabouts of Dr. Jose P. Rizal 9 months before the birth of Adolf Hitler. Right after the publication of Noli Me Tangere, Rizal decided to travel Europe accompanied by Dr. Maximo Viola. They arrived in Vienna, Austria-Hungary in May 20 and stayed until May 24, 1887. Later, they toured Germany until June 1, 1887. So the premise that Jose Rizal was in Austria-Hungary is true. Adolf Hitler was born April 20, 1889 in Braunau in Austria-Hungary. He was the son of Alois and Clara Hitler. Question here, was Rizal had in contact with Clara Hitler from July to August 1888? Possibly the conception of Adolf or practically 9 months before the birth of the notorious dictator. From May 1888 to March 1889, Rizal was in London. He was busy making the annotation of Antonio Morga's Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas. Therefore, it is logical to say that Rizal was not in any association with Adolf Hitler. True that he was in Austria-Hungary, but it was only for 4 days from May 20 until May 24 of 1887, 21 months before the birth of Adolf Hitler. Therefore, Rizal was not the father of Adolf Hitler. Story has it that this rumor only surfaced during this election as to who should be the national hero, Jose Rizal or Andres Bonifacio. This malicious rumor is a mere black propaganda during those times against Dr. Jose P. Rizal. Again, Jose Rizal was not the father of Adolf Hitler.